Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a signature inside of Gmail and add that to every email that you send. So this is going to be a real simple tutorial. If it does help you out though, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down below to push this video to more people, and we'll just get started. So what you need to do is click on the settings cog once you're in gmail.com and then click on settings again. Once you've done that, it's going to load up some settings obviously, and here what we can do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. And here we can go to the signature part of Gmail. Now here you can either select no signature, or if you click on this button here, it's going to display this signature here. Now we can type whatever we want in this box here to create an actual signature. You can see that this signature is going to be sent to all outgoing messages. So here we can start to create a signature. Now you can obviously put whatever you want in this signature. You can add an image. So you can search your drive, you can either upload an image or you can use an image from the internet. You can then add text, you can change the font, you can change if you want it bold, italics, underlined. You can even add links, so I might do Bradley Harrison. We then might want to change the colour of this, so I'll highlight it and then we can change the colour by going to this one here. And here you've got the text colour and the background colour, so I'm going to change it to a blue. And then we've got internetmarketing@bradleyharrison.com, and obviously you can write whatever you want on your email signature. You might want to add a photo as well. But that's real simple how you can do it and how you can create a signature in Gmail. Once you've made it, what you want to do is make sure you scroll all the way down. Make sure you click on save changes, otherwise it's not going to save. And then once you've saved it, it's going to send that email signature at the bottom of every email that you then go and send out. So if that was helpful, make sure you leave a like, subscribe and comment down below. And I'll see you all in the next one.